We are all connected. We know the distance traveled each day. We monitor our heartbeats and battery life of our speakers. We know where our friends are at any given time. We have nice gadgets to do it with and nice bags to carry them around. Meet Baggizmo Wiseward, a smart wallet that not only looks like the 21st century, it is one of the most secure wallets for your money and all types of cards. It's made of FSC-approved high-tech materials, designed like a fashion item and always connected to your smartphone. While slim and easy to carry, Wiseward can safely store up to 10 cards in a special RFID protected section. Your cards are safe from accidental or malicious swiping, and your personal information data is completely secure. But if you need quick access to the contactless cards you frequently use, you can store them in the free section. You can even share the information you want using the NFC chip that can share your V-card or the link to your website. With Wiseward, you never have to worry where you left your wallet. If it moves, it will let you know. It knows if you dropped it. It tells you where it is. And while you don't need it, it will recharge itself using any wireless charger around. The Wiseward app tells you everything you need to know about your wallet. It has some of the most advanced anti-theft programming. The gyroscope and accelerometer monitor movement of the Wiseward. And there is a magnetic sensor that alerts you if your wallet is being opened. Not only will you receive a message, but the wallet itself will sound the alarm via a piezo buzzer when you press search on your phone. And you can even find your phone by double-tapping your wallet and get your phone ringing. It also features RGB and UV LED lights. They may come in handy when opening your wallet in a club. And more importantly, they show if the bills are counterfeit. We cannot guarantee that your Wiseward will never get stolen, but look on the bright side. At least you'll know where it is and what exactly is going on. Brought to you by the people from Baggizmo. Wiseward. Wallet meets gadget.
Tired and frustrated with your thick and bulky wallet? Constantly feel like bringing everything in it is such a tiresome experience, especially having to stuff it in the pocket and to remove it out? So we thought, what if you could split your wallet to carry less? Introducing Mag, the modular wallet with a magnetic hinge, one that you can split and stack. To let you bring what you really need, simply switch and flip. Have instant access. It's always there whenever you need it. Mag has 3 modules to suit your daily lifestyle, so that whenever you step out the door or you're going to the gym, whatever you carry is all just you really need. It hasn't been easy to create Mag. To create the perfect wallet, we have gone through countless ideas, prototypes, tests, and fabrication methods to finally create something that we are truly proud of. But without your support, Mag will only remain a prototype. So we will love your help to bring Mag to life. So back us today. Mag, the wallet made with a touch of magic.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.